Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forming the filling and setting your stations. This is where speed and consistency start. Mix cooled shredded ham with thick bechamel until it binds, firm enough to shape but not dry. Once done, portion into 40-50 g logs with wet hands to avoid sticking. Make sure to line them on a tray and chill for 20-30 minutes. Chilling firms the interior and prevents bursting. Finally, arrange your flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs in separate bowls so you can move quickly through the coating process. You now focus on a consistent coating and crucial chill step to keep shape during frying. Move each chilled log through flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumb adheres. Repeat the egg plus crumb layer if you want a thicker, crunchier shell. Make sure to remove excess flour before egg so the coating bonds. Once coated, space them on a tray and refrigerate for 30-45 minutes. This step seals the surface and reduces oil absorption, which ensures a crisp exterior and molten interior. You finish by frying carefully and solving common problems quickly. Heat oil to a steady 170 degrees 175 degrees C and fry in small batches for 2-3 minutes per side until evenly golden. Overcrowding drops temp and makes them greasy. Once done, transfer to a rack to drain and hold at 90 degrees C if you must keep them warm. If a croqueta leaks or cracks, stop frying, lower oil temperature a bit. Return the remaining pieces to chill, and patch any split ends with a little extra paste before recoating and refrying to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.